Dear vendor, welcome to USDI Vendor Training Series. As you progress with this session, you will learn Amazon Packing Standard and Process. Through this session, you will get what is SIOC and FFP, why they are introduced, and what the requirements are. For traditional retail, product packaging is big and fancy to attract customers' notice. However, in e-commerce, customers prefer the product pictures instead. So it is not necessary to design such kind of packaging that creates more waste. That is the reason we raised up the new projects, SIOC and FFP. SIOC means ship in own container, and FFP stands for frustration-free packaging. They both benefit for environment, reduce cost, and bring customers satisfaction. Here is an overview of Amazon Packaging Standard, and it's straightforward in helping you understand the differences among 3 tiers of Amazon Packaging Standard. You can take time to carefully review it after the session and self-examine your understanding of what has been learned. Regardless of the product type, there are 4 core tenets of optimized packaging for Amazon, including designed for reduced waste, recyclable packing, easy to open, and protective against damage. Amazon's packaging mission consists of these 4 equally important parts. The following checklist can be used to determine if your products are likely to qualify as frustration-free packaging ships in own container or prep-free packaging. Note that the minimum acceptable FFP SIOC packaging dimensions listed here and choose the acceptable one as needed. Here comes the examples of different packaging standards. By using the checklist we shared before, you can conclude this product's package is FFP certified. Please take a look at the details for your reference. Another example here goes to SIOC packaging, and it is not checked on recyclable packaging and easy to open. The last one should be easy to identify as PFP example. Now, you should definitely be sure on qualifying your product with specific packaging standards through the 3 cases. Tests will be conducted according to the International Safe Transit Association, ISTA, with one of the 2 test methods shown here. You can find more details regarding to Amazon Packaging Test Protocol from the bottom website. Here are 3 ways to enroll Amazon Packaging Certification. Test in nominated lab at origin, enrolled in Vendor Central, or in nominated China-based third-party labs. For testing in nominated lab at origin, you are required to complete Amazon ISTA 6 SIOC test method with an ISTA certified laboratory. To enroll an ASIN in Vendor Central, you can use the Contact Us functionality under Support module in Vendor Central, then raise a ticket with a completed test report and an ASIN enrollment form attached. Please also indicate which vendor codes should be certified for the ASIN being enrolled. Amazon will action all enrollment requests within 1 week of receipt of the enrollment request in Vendor Central. Or, you can contact the nominated China-based third-party labs listed here for certification. If you need more help on Amazon Packaging Standard, additional resources are listed here. You can also contact us for questions through the bottom path. Amazon expects that from September 3rd, 2019, all ASINs that meet the criteria listed here must be certified through Amazon's frustration-free packaging certification programs as ready to ship. ASINs that require certification and do not fall under any exclusions will be issued a chargeback of $1.99 per unit received. That's all for Amazon Packaging Standard and Process. Thanks for your listening.